In this video, I compiled a series of popular worship songs that use the 2-6-1-5 chord progression, also known as the Re-La-Do-So. This is just one out of many other common progressions like the 1-5-2-4, 6-4-1-5, 1-5-6-4, and many more that allow us to unlock many songs instantly on the piano. Let's focus on the 2-6-1-5 and leave the rest for future videos. Now, before revealing the songs that use this chord progression, it's very important to understand how the 2-6-1-5 chord progression sounds. So here is a demo of how it sounds. Again. So now that you understand how it sounds, if we were to be in the key of C, our second chord is going to be D minor chord, okay? Our sixth chord is going to be A minor chord. Our first chord is going to be C major chord. And our fifth chord will be G major chord. Now here are examples of songs that utilizes this chord progression. You can find this in songs like I Will Pray by Minister Ebuka songs. I will pray, oh. I will pray, if I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. Overflow by Sinach. There's an overflow, abundance of favor. It's a new level, it's a new level. Testimony by Mercy Chinwo. I'm a testimony, Ebezina. But the way it was actually done in the real songs, that the chords were just arpeggiated like this. I'm a testimony, Ebezina. Genedo by Victor Atenaga. Do, Ogenedo. You Are Beautiful by James Okun. Heaven and earth adore him, angels bow before him. You are beautiful, you are beautiful. Heaven and earth adore him, angels bow before him. You are beautiful. Covenant Keeping God by Victoria Renzi. You are the covenant keeping God, Yahweh, the covenant keeping God. Sometimes in this song, the second chord is being substituted with the fourth chord like this. You are the covenant keeping God, Yahweh, the covenant keeping God. My Daddy by Lawrence Oyo. Daddy, my daddy, your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing in the head of eternity. Chorus of Victory Belongs to Jesus by Toad Tulani. Oh, victory belongs to Jesus, victory belongs to him. Seated on the Throne by Oche Jokins. My Lord, you reign, yes you reign, Jesus you reign, yes you reign. His name is Yahweh by Howe Abutu. God, his name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yahweh. Blow Like a Mighty Wind by Idausa Ayibe. Blow like a mighty wind, Spirit of victory, cover us with your wings. Sometimes the third chord is being used to substitute the fifth chord in this same chord progression like this. Spirit of victory, cover us with your wings. Okay. We also have Ogbenjua by Abraham Akatu. Ogbenjua. You Are Always There to Help Me by Dr. Paul Enenche. You are always there to help me, even when no one else was there. You are always there for me. You are always to help me. These are just few out of many other songs that utilizes this chord progression. This video is just to demonstrate the fact that with just one chord progression, you can be able to play many songs instantly on the piano. If you keep practicing on this video, with time your musical ear develops to identify even more songs that utilizes this chord progression on your own. As I said earlier, there are many other common progressions, so go check out this video next to know song that utilizes the 1-5-2-4 chord progression.